Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to fix bad sound quality from Bluetooth devices on your Windows PC. If your Bluetooth headphones or speakers sound terrible, these fixes should help. Let's get started. Alright, first thing, open Windows Settings and click Bluetooth and Devices. Find your Bluetooth device in the list, click the three dots next to it, and select Remove Device. Now click the plus icon to add a device. Select Bluetooth and put your headphones into pairing mode, usually by holding the power button for about 10 seconds. Click on your device when it appears to reconnect. Now search for Change System Sounds and open it. In the Playback tab, find your Bluetooth device and double-click it. Go to the Enhancements tab and check Disable All Enhancements, then click Apply. You can also try different quality formats in the Advanced tab to see if one sounds better. Here's the thing. Click on the Recording tab and find your Bluetooth microphone. Right-click it and choose Disable. This is super important because Windows often switches to low-quality audio mode when the microphone is active, especially during calls or gaming. This single fix solves the problem for most people. Also, make sure your Bluetooth device is within range of your PC and disconnect any other Bluetooth devices that might be interfering with the connection. And that's it. Your Bluetooth audio should sound much better now. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.